So I decided, since I love bell peppers so much, I was gonna get yellow bell peppers. So I took some seeds from yellow peppers I cut up the other day and I planted them in these guys. I've been letting them sit on my windowsill for about a week, but I decided they should get some sun out here. So it's been a day since I watered the babies and I'm just trying to see how they look today. Definitely needs water. This zucchini plant in particular is kind of giving me a hard time because today its strongest leaves are wilted. If I just give it some water now, it'll be okay. I had to change over the water from alkaline to regular spring water, and hopefully that'll bring them back to life. They're starting to wilt away, and I was told that alkaline water actually kills the plants. Okay, not too bad, but a little sad. And then the bell peppers over here, definitely wilted, but I bet you anything right now that I water them, they will come back to life in a few hours or by tomorrow morning. A friend told me not to use alkaline water because it could kill the plant. And I was noticing that the leaves on the zucchini were wilted over, right? So what happened was I just decided to go change the water. I got different kind of water, not alkaline. And now the plants are doing so much better. So right now we're gonna go water them. I didn't yesterday because it was gloomy. So I'm trying to figure out, do I want to water them every day or do I want to water them a few times a week? I'm trying to figure it out. Like I said, I could just look it up or I could just follow my intuition and figure it out. But we do want to make sure that they live. So we're going to go check on them right now. We're going to water them. I didn't yesterday. We're going to go have a little talk session, a little therapy session, and we'll see how they do. Morning. Sunny already tried to run away. She's over here by herself with all of the other seeds. Her leaves here are fried because I watered the leaves when it was really hot and it dried in the sun when I put water. This is when I was still using alkaline water. When I first got these babies, I was using that kind of water, but then I switched over now to spring water. She's doing pretty good. She's growing. The only thing is these little guys are wilted. They'll be wilted one day, the next day they won't, but now it's been 2 days that she's been wilted over. I'm not sure how to save her. Here we have the strawberries. As you can tell, these are newer leaves that have sprouted. She's getting longer. This is new. She's getting bigger. Here we have tomatoes. I think they're doing better now that I've been using a different type of water, because I was using, like I said, alkaline water. What's different here is these little flowers have been coming out. These are getting bigger. These are getting bigger. Look, it looks like little balls of tomato. Oh my god, is this really the first tomato? First 2 tomatoes? No way. Wow, I'm gonna have to buy some support for this tomato plant very soon. Oh my god. It's so crazy to see the growth right in front of your eyes. See? Here we have the bell pepper. I see these bulbs growing in. That's new. I've had this plant for a week already. It's been about 11 days since I got all the babies. I'm gonna do some research as to why they look so wilted. We'll see how they do in the next 2 days. So since she wasn't doing so good and she was right next to this bigger, stronger zucchini, I'm guessing it was 2 seeds and they were trying to grow with each other in competition, and she obviously wasn't doing so well. So I got her roots and I'm gonna just put her a little further away from the zucchini plant and hope that she can thrive by herself. I have no idea. I've never done this before. I don't know if I should have done this, but we will see. Maybe she does better by herself. Good morning, good morning. Today is June 27th, 2020. It is Saturday. Oh, snap. She has a flower. Okay, so last night I watered the plants and I had seen something in the center, like a little bulb, but today there's a flower. It's the first flower. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. I was worried because obviously these guys are burnt off, so I already knew she wasn't off to a great start, but oh my god, she made it. She has a flower and I see more growth right here going on, if you could see that. Good morning. Thank you. Let's see how everybody else is doing. Okay, so this is the zucchini plant that had the other one that I had put here, but unfortunately she just wasn't gonna make it. So what's new here is probably this, what's going on in the center, those little bulbs right there, and probably these right here. Good morning. Thank you for being here, being strong. Okay, so this is the strawberries. It's been a few days since the last time, so what I've noticed is these branches have gotten longer and they're just like multiplying, you know. That's what I've noticed. Let's see what is going on inside. She's doing beautifully. You're doing really well. Thank you. Hello, beautiful. How are you? So I can see that she has more flowers coming up over here too. And so yesterday at nighttime, in the evening time, I was looking at her and I noticed how the little bulbs have gotten bigger. There's even 2 more down there. You see those 2 smaller ones? Those are new. I'm super excited. Wow, like I feel so excited and proud to see them growing like this. Like pop, next day it has something, pop, next day it has something else, like another leaf. She's doing pretty good. Good morning. I changed their schedule, so I water them at nighttime now because I burned them. Poor babies. I didn't mean to burn you guys. I'm so sorry. This one I don't think I burned too much, or at least I don't remember, but it happens to have like these ripped pieces here. Yeah, I definitely see the growth in this one. She's taller because these are growing out. A lot more of these. There's some bulbs here on the top. If you can see them. Oh, there we go. Ooh, there's a lot going on here. Yes. Thank you for being here and being strong. So I like to come say hi. I know it's pretty windy, so I'm trying to project my voice a little more so I don't have to put the volume up when editing, because then you hear the wind more. I like to come every morning, say hi, and then water them in the evening, because you never know what surprises you'll find in the morning, like this surprise. So I've had these guys for over 2 weeks now, and I don't see any growth. Who knows? Maybe I'll do some research and see what else they need. I'm sure they need something else. I don't want to fail at this, but I also should do research more promptly.